How do you know if you got a good answer from ChatGPT?
Framework I like to use is the verifiability test or something. Some answers are easily verifiable, others not so much. So what is an example of an easily verifiable answer or task? You give the task to your web developer or designer, design a logo. If they design a logo, you can easily verify, yes, this is a logo, you have successfully done it. Right. So this is an easily verifiable task, and you know whether it's good or bad. No matter if they know Photoshop, no matter if they coded it, no matter if they used Canva, whatever, you know this is a logo. Easily verifiable task. Then you ask your lawyer, if um I don't know, marry someone in um I don't know, China, what does this mean for my, you know, um like real estate and stuff? You don't know if the lawyer provides an answer, and you don't know if it's true or not, right? It's not easily verifiable. You need, you know, a second opinion, a third lawyer, something like this.
Okay,
So
so you don't know unless you're a lawyer.
even if you're a lawyer, probably it's hard to know, you know. If I'm a lawyer in the US, I don't know the laws in
Yeah, okay.
China, right? So in this case, creating a logo and asking such a complex question, they are very, very different in the way you would ask them to real people even. Like you wouldn't ask your everyday lawyer, you know, about the laws in China. Don't so if you're this so if you are careful about it with people, be careful about it with ChatGPT as well,
Okay.
right? And this is very important for people to know. ChatGPT doesn't know everything, and it's hard to know whether when it's right or wrong. But some tasks are easy to verify, others not so much.